The 5000 PSI Pressure Washer 2025 by FOTING offers an impressive 5000 PSI water pressure, ensuring efficient and effective cleaning for various surfaces such as cars, fences, and driveways. With a height of 34 inches, this pressure washer is designed ergonomically to prevent bending, featuring an innovative touchscreen that allows easy adjustment across 8 pressure levels. Equipped with a waterproof touchscreen, the washer also boasts a wider base to prevent tipping and padded handles for enhanced comfort during use. The total stop system feature enhances safety by automatically shutting off the washer when not in use, while the high-pressure hose includes an inner layer for additional protection. Designed for convenience, the washer includes a wheeled trolley for easy movement, a mesh stock for organizing the spray gun, and designated storage spaces for nozzles and hoses. Its user-friendly design and powerful capabilities make this pressure washer a versatile tool for any cleaning task around the home or garden.